virtual reasoning. Okay, I am directly shifting to the question. The question will look something like this. Tell me the answer. Now you cannot draw this figure. I told you that in the exam, try to take one marker, removable marker, not permanent, removable marker with you so that you can mark little bit on screen and you can identify the answer.
27.
27. I also don't know the answer because I lost the sheet, I think, where I wrote the answer of this question. I have to count it. But anyone
Like,
else? Yes.
so like in that third wala figure, sir, in that we need to consider only black circle or also
No,
the
no,
white
no.
circle?
This line is two circles.
Okay.
One is inside, one is outside.
Oh. Sir, 45.
45. Who said 45?
Arpita.
Arpita. Okay. Okay. Should I count it? Let's not waste too much time on this. Okay. If I miss something, kindly help me. This one is 1. Can you see it's an arc? Okay. There must be a circle. 1, sir, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there is 6, I think. 6 are there. Nothing is here. Nothing is here. And don't be in a hurry, just see that if there is anything which is getting curved like this, okay, so that's then we have to count it, but there is nothing here. Okay, so 6 are here. Now I am counting only the black lines and I will multiply it by 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 into 2, 36. I have skipped these 1, 2, 3 and 4. 46 is the answer. Very near. Understood? Okay.